Wow. Looks like I've done it.
Done what?
Look.
I had no idea you were a genetic scientist as well.
It's a hobby. I used electric eels, actually.
Eels, you say? I must investigate this further. Keep that jar if you like.
Thanks.
Now leave me alone whilst I work on the formula.
What about my percentage?
Come back tomorrow.
I'd like to buy some green cloth, please.
Green? No problem. But that'll be a lot of money.
How much money?
More than you can afford. However, if you can do me a little favour, then we could come to some sort of agreement.
Sorry, you're really not my type.
Do as I ask, and I'll give you the cloth you want.
As long as it doesn't involve leather, then I'll do it.
Follow me. All you have to do is go in there and fetch me a magical lamp.
You want me to enter this dark passage?
This is the rear entrance.
That's what I was afraid of.